Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon Düsseldorf. Here we have some motorhomes, luxury motorhomes from Concorde, and I'm going now to show you this Charisma model and do it rather quickly because my presence is going to be required elsewhere now. Short me time. €500,000, 927 long by 240 centimeters by 367, 875 kilos of payload. Let's now get in here. They put these things up, you see, to stop the riffraff getting in, but it doesn't always work because I've just got in. Just shows to show you, if you're riffraff, you can still manage to get in to something like this. So from this model, you've got a bed over the front. You've got a wonderful large windscreen. Got this table, a dining area, quite large. Windows with, I think these blinds are very elegant. So Concorde puts them in their vehicles, and rather than the sort of the standard motorhome thing, which is more like this Remy. Well, mind you, Remy's a good brand as well. I'm not knocking Remy. Kitchen over here, huge amount of room to do your food. We've got induction here. We've got here the sink with two parts to it. Behind that storage, below that storage, behind we've got a Körperbusch oven and freezer and fridge. Here we've got a slide out pantry and storage next to that, and in here, coming through, wonderful dressing room area. Obviously you can close the door here from the rest of the vehicle, so people don't see it coming out the shower. Here we've got enormous storage as well, and at the back we've got this really large bedroom with lots of storage all the way around. Windows on either side, and there's a television up there as well. We'll have a look around the outside. It's got an enormous garage here, as you can see, with a, notice that's something Concorde started doing. Having said that, for me, I'd rather it was straight, but it is something original. But enormous, look at that space in there. So you can, what do they call them? Spoiler. Motorhome liner with a spoiler. So there's the front as well. Although we have got a camera up front, but the mirrors do extend quite a way, and there may be different opinions on that. Anyway, good. So I've given you a very quick overview there. If I remember, I'll put more details in the description. But for the moment, thanks for being with me, watching this, and bye for now.